The so-called doomsday mom, Lori Vallow, will be mentally evaluated, and her murder trial in Arizona has been vacated.
She's accused of conspiring in the shooting that killed her ex-husband and plotting the attempted murder of her niece's ex-husband. Now the question in court is if she's competent to stand trial.
Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum broke news of this development today, and he joins us live.
And John, Christina, this motion comes just 2 weeks before this decision, a motion for a Rule 11 evaluation filed under seal. Now, we did reach out to Vallow's public defender on the case. He has not responded to our request for comment. For the doomsday mom, though, it is round 2 for competency questions just in another state. It's been 5 years since prosecutors say Lori Vallow conspired in the shooting death of her 4th husband, Charles Vallow. He was shot by Lori's late brother, Alex Cox, who claimed self-defense at her Chandler home. Gilbert police believe Cox was also the shooter in the attempted murder of Brandon Boudreaux, the ex-husband of Lori's niece. Investigators say Lori and her then-boyfriend, Chad Daybell, called Charles and Brandon dark spirits. Vallow is charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to commit murder, but the judge on the case granted her request for a Rule 11 evaluation. Both counsel for the state and Vallow are ordered to provide medical and criminal history to Maricopa County's Correctional Health Services. 2 qualified mental health experts will be appointed to examine Vallow and determine if she's competent to stand trial. Her February 2025 trial is canceled for now.
I think it's just a simple fact that she is delusional. I don't think she's crazy. I'll never believe that.
Larry Woodcock was Charles Vallow's brother-in-law and grandfather of J.J. Vallow, the autistic boy Lori and Charles adopted. He's not surprised at Vallow's legal move. Vallow was ruled incompetent in Idaho for about 10 months before being restored ahead of her triple murder trial in 2023. She was found guilty of killing her 2 kids, J.J. and Tylee, as well as conspiring in the murder of Chad Daybell's first wife, Tammy.
She knows what she's doing, and the state of Idaho proved that she was competent. So I think it's just a Lori being Lori.
In Vallow's sentencing in Idaho, we learned she was diagnosed with a personality disorder and hyper-religiosity after she told the court that no one was murdered and she talks to Jesus. A defendant can be competent even if they have a mental illness.
And that's where the doctors come in to be able to say whether or not you understand the nature of the defense, understand what's going on in court. So that will determine whether or not she is competent to stand trial. It's a very low bar, and just because you have a mental health issue doesn't mean you're going to get scot-free.
Attorney Ben Taylor is not involved in Vallow's case, but says if both experts disagree on competency, a third will be appointed.
The judge will allow for another doctor to come in, and there'll be a battle of the doctors to determine whether or not she is competent to stand trial or not. And the big thing here is if she's not competent to stand trial and she can't be restored in the future, this case could be ultimately dismissed.
Again, according to Ben Taylor, being competent, being deemed competent is really a low bar. But Rule 11 court proceedings will take some time. We're going to keep you updated on how this all unfolds. I'm Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum.